Hi everybody, you are watching Art of Asit, and in this video I'll show you how to create such a big mural painting using simple technique. For this painting we took the concept of photosynthesis, and that process we'll see in this video.
So here I'm using spray gun, and this spray gun is very helpful to fill up the background very easily. This is really very helpful device, and the device you can find out in Flipkart or Amazon. The cost is very cheap, around 2500. Using this device you can cover very vast area within a minutes. So this is really helpful to use this device for background purpose. Also I'm using here acrylic color, so some primary colors and secondary color I'm using. Then I'm using plastic paint, because the acrylic color is very expensive, so for background I'm using this plastic paint. Sometimes I'm mixing with plastic paint and acrylic color, so that bright color I can get it. Unfortunately I lost some video footage of preparing background painting. So this is my background once I finished my spray work, and during this painting my students help a lot to complete this painting. So remaining process I'll show you in time-lapse video, so let's watch it and enjoy it.